How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about Kegel exercises for men and women. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you with more details. So to find your Kegel muscles, the easiest way to do it is to stop peeing midstream. The muscles that contract when you stop peeing are your Kegel muscles or your pelvic floor muscles. When performing the Kegel exercise, it's also important that your butt, thighs, and abdominal are all relaxed in some situations, but in general, you want those muscles to be relaxed. The best way we are going to be doing this is by laying on the floor. You can perform Kegel exercises standing up, but this is going to be a little bit harder because your abs will be flexed. I don't recommend doing Kegel exercises standing up for beginners, only for intermediates or advanced people who have mastered the laying down Kegel exercises. Luckily for you guys, I'm going to show you both an easy exercise you can do laying down and then another exercise that you can do standing up. So both of these exercises will be used and you can do them the same day. You don't have to do the first exercise for 3 months or 6 months to get it developed. You can do one exercise in the morning and then you can do the next exercise at night if you will. So the first exercise that you're going to be doing, you're going to be laying down when you're doing it. So the first exercise that you want to do is the leg lift. This is the easiest exercise to perform to understand how to do the Kegels. So all you're going to do is you're going to lift your leg up like so, and you're going to lift them up as high as possible, you guys. By doing this, you'll really feel your Kegel exercises or your Kegel muscles being worked. So again, lift as high as you can and do both legs if you will. So again, to find out if your muscles are being worked, you want to pee and then stop midstream. That's how you figure out what your muscles feel like. And then you're going to go into the exercise by doing this exercise first. And again, laying down is so much easier to perform the Kegel exercise, but you can also do another one standing up. I want to show you guys both the one laying down and the one standing up. So the standing up exercise is the easiest one to perform. There's other ones that you can do standing up. They're going to be a little bit trickier. This is the easiest one for standing up. So all you're going to do is get next to a wall or anything, and all you're going to do is get into a squat position, and all you're going to do is hold that position. So you're doing basically a wall squat. You want to make sure your knees and your hips are parallel, and that is it. Try to hold this position for as long as possible. And again, very tricky to do if you don't regularly train like this. Your legs are going to start to tighten up, and after about 20 to 30 seconds, it's going to be really hard to keep holding this position, you guys. So again, wall squat is the intermediate. The one that I recommend for most beginners is going to be laying on the ground, lifting your leg up. Once you can do that, go into the wall squat and start performing that. Again, you don't have to do the leg lift and then wait 3 months. Just do the leg lift. After you're done the leg lift, do the wall squat. Both will work very good. So end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.